Welcome to my gallery in the woods. This is a secret place. So, I don't know what this structure is, but if you've been paying attention, I had another exhibit in here. This is called Crumbs 2.0. This is a display of all the trash that I have collected here in a year of walking. So this is all pieces of trash cast in resin. Every little bit of trash that I picked up over a year is here. And even the pieces which were in the first exhibit are here, but now they're cast in resin. So these are the pieces that used to hang on the wall here. Now they're here, part of another exhibit. So everything I've picked up, nasty balls, dog balls, pieces of glass and plastic. This is one of my favorites. I don't even know what these pieces of plastic are. So this is all the trash that I have picked up in 1 year of walking here. It varies from plastic to glass to fabric to metal, all sorts of things. And it's here for people to see just how many crumbs they leave behind. That's the name of the project. The project is called Crumbs because these are the crumbs that we leave behind in our Anthropocene era. And it's all stuff that nature cannot get rid of itself. Yeah, this is what we leave behind. Bottle caps, batteries, pieces of plastic. Oh, this one is my favorite here. Look at this one. Right? And yeah, even threads. So this is, polyester, which is basically plastic. And it's all here for, animals to eat and not digest. So I've been picking up every day for a year, and I've been saving. I didn't know why I was saving at first, but this is probably why I was saving, to show everyone else what's here.